Welcome to Twin Bush. Today we have a new tips and tricks episode. This episode is about emergency release again, this time on a S3-10 scissor lift with electromagnetic safety release. In case of a power failure, the safety release will simply be pulled up by hand. And it'll be fixed in this position with cable ties. Repeat the same process on both sides. Remove the nut and the magnetic coil. The emergency release valve is visible now. This is the model with the bayonet system. You press it down and turn it counterclockwise. This is how the release valve is manually opened. The valve jumps out a bit and the lift lowers itself. The release valve is closed by pressing and turning it clockwise. Twin Bush uses two versions of the electromagnetic release valve. One version is opened by simply turning the red button counterclockwise. And it's closed by turning clockwise. The second version is opened by pushing the red button and then turning it counterclockwise. The button jumps out a bit then. The valve is closed through the opposite process. Push the button and then turn it clockwise completely.